Hi, my name is Yifei Gao,
Hi, my name is Kennedy Kerr.
Hello, my name is Alexa Mesanzati.
Hello, my name is Noah Okada.
and I'm currently majoring in economics and psychology and linguistics with additional interest in sustainable fashion as a co-founder in Altkey, DI in the arts industry as the founder of Art for Heart, a 501c3 nonprofit, and business models as a fellow in several hatchery programs.
I'm a senior in the college, double majoring in neuroscience and behavioral biology and computer science.
I am a rising senior in the college studying neuroscience and ethics.
And I am a senior at Emory University, double majoring in neuroscience and behavioral biology and computer science.
So I'm really looking forward to the CMBC Undergraduates Fellows Program because I get to combine a lot of what I've learned within the various organizations that I've founded with what I've learned in class. So, for example, economics and linguistics. So I really do hope to use NLP methods to predict alternative investment markets, such as within the fine arts industry. And a lot of what I've learned from the Wolf Lab in terms of processing with semantics and using regex and semgex is really going to play a lot into it as well. So I'm really excited to learn a lot more about this particular field and really see how far we could utilize NLP methods to predict the arts industry market, not just the stock market. So
And my research interests are in cortical control of balance, especially in clinical populations like Parkinson's disease cohorts and stroke survivors. And I'm going to be pursuing an honors thesis in Dr. Lena Ting's neuromechanics lab, investigating cortical activation of modern dancers during balance, which is motivated by my personal background as a dancer and my involvement with Emory Dance Company.
And I'm very excited to be part of the CMBC Fellowship this year. At Emory, I have worked with the Neuroethics blog. I have done neuroethics and feminist neuroscience research. I am also involved in the symphony orchestra and the wind ensemble. I play percussion and have been playing for over 12 years now. For my undergraduate honors thesis, I plan to develop an interview assessment tool to qualitatively gauge the perception of feminist neuroscience scholars and legal scholars toward proposed neuro rights. They seek to establish legal protections to regulate advancements in neurotechnology. So it's essentially like a new addition to human rights, which is very interesting because you're combining neuroscience and law. Unfortunately, however, many proposed frameworks lack the integration of a feminist cross-cultural perspective. And so I'm trying to conduct these interviews and develop these working recommendations to help develop a more comprehensive approach to neuro rights as a field. Aside from my research focus, I am very involved in social justice work. In 2020, I founded a nonprofit organization called Her Drive, and we focus on ending period poverty and improving menstrual equity for all. So we collect menstrual care and general hygiene items for target populations, specifically Indigenous communities, Title I school students, and prisoner and detainees. It's been very rewarding to sort of see the growth of the organization over the past 2 years. And I think part of my success in social justice work has come from all the things that I've learned at Emory.
My main research interests are in memory and specifically studying how deja vu experiences are represented in the mind, looking at how spatial memory and spatial navigation play a role in the development of our memories. And I use virtual reality to study these questions, and it's allowed me to really play an interesting role studying these intersections of neuroscience, computer science, philosophy, and psychology. And these questions that we're asking really start to play into asking bigger interdisciplinary questions about consciousness and about human memory and human culture and how that interplays together, and also the advancements in virtual reality and immersive reality that will go on to change our culture and our experimental styles in psychology.
So I'm really looking forward to the CMBC undergraduate program just because my research interests are already so interdisciplinary, and I'm looking forward to finding new approaches and new ways I can look at these questions from. And I'm also really excited to share these ideas with the other undergrad fellows and see what they're working on.
So I'm very grateful for spending my time here for my undergraduate education, and I look forward to a great year with CMBC. Thank you.
Really exciting space to be, really exciting field, and I'm really excited to be able to join the Center for Mind, Brain, and Cultures Fellowship this year, to be able to be a part of an interdisciplinary cohort of students and mentors as we explore all the new developments in the interdisciplinary sciences involving the mind, brain, and culture. And so I'm excited for this opportunity to interact with my peers and learn from the various opportunities and events offered by the center.
Looking forward to it. Thank you so much.